So we're going to talk a little bit about the partnership work that we do at FairVentures. For those of you who don't know what FairVentures is, we're the innovation group for Fairfax Financial Holdings. There's the team that I run in Kitchener-Waterloo. We're based out of Communitech. We're the innovation lab. So a lot of the work that we do is around working with the various companies inside that Fairfax portfolio. Obviously, lots of insurance companies around the world and Northbridge in Canada. So we work with them on the full spectrum of innovation, anywhere from ideation, coming up with new potential business models, new products and services. We have a fairly strong technical team on my group that does proof of concept and prototype development, everything from AI to blockchain, a lot of those buzzwords that I'm sure you've heard over the last few days. And then another big area that we work on is partnerships, because we know that there's more work to be done than what we can do inside of our lab, but also inside of the different operating companies. And there's truly some amazing startups out there working in the insurance space, providing tremendous value for the operating companies and our insurance companies. And so we do a fair bit of effort looking for startup companies, identifying them and bringing them into the Fairfax family by virtue of sort of introductions. We're based out of Communitech. I'm not sure if you know much about Communitech in Kitchener. Communitech's a many-year-old, I think 20-plus-year-old organization focused on building and supporting the development of mostly tech companies in the Waterloo region. And last year we were sort of a proud sponsor of a program that they call EDGE. And EDGE is one of their incubation programs where Communitech takes startups from all over Ontario, perhaps even Canada, and supports them through that early stage growth, sort of growing your business. And that's kind of how one way that we source startups to potentially work with, and that's kind of where we met Joseph and the ProNav team. So maybe you want to talk a little bit about...
Sure, yeah. So at ProNavigator, our focus is on how do you use artificial intelligence to drive insurance sales and productivity. And we do that by building virtual customer assistants to assist customers through the buying and service experience. So you're combining chat, smart dialogue systems, natural language processing, and machine learning to help consumers as they're purchasing insurance, servicing, allowing customers to engage with their customers 24/7, creating a better online purchasing experience and enabling enormous cost savings. And I was thinking about the theme of partnerships, and I think 10 years ago, a lot of fintech startups were saying banks are no longer going to exist, or we're going to disrupt the entire industry. And I think the industry today realizes there is a huge number of startups that maybe don't get all the media, but they're here to really help the industry. They're not here to replace carriers or replace brokers.